Hello everyone, welcome to ScholarHat. My name is Shailin Chauhan. I'm Microsoft MVP Technical Consult Corporate Trainer. In this video, I will tell you about the ASP.NET Core Certification Training offered by the ScholarHat. So before looking at the training program, let's understand what is the ASP.NET Core. So ASP.NET Core is a cross-platform web development framework which is helping us to build the web UI as well as web API. If you're looking at the ASP.NET Core career scope, so there are many reasons why you should care about the .NET Core and the ASP.NET Core. Because ASP.NET Core is based upon on the top of .NET Core. So if you will look at the .NET Core statistic, .NET Core is 11x faster than Node.js. It is 3x faster than the Java servlet. Even if you're looking at the developers number, so more than 10 million developers are working on ASP.NET Core across the world. Even when it is coming to the salary, so salary for the ASP.NET Core developer is starting from 4 lakhs to 22 lakhs. So depending upon your experience, the salary will vary. Even on the GitHub, we having the more than 407,000 stars because ASP.NET Core is open source framework. So its source code is available on GitHub. And not only the Microsoft team is working on the ASP.NET Core, the developer from across the world are working on ASP.NET Core. They are making it stable so that we are getting the new set of features in ASP.NET Core every year. So Microsoft team is dedicated to provide a new version of ASP.NET Core every year. If you will see that world top MNCs are working on ASP.NET Core, like we having the Stack Overflow, Siemens, we having the Samsung, IBM, Cisco, TCS, Deloitte, Intel, Dell, and many more topmost companies are using the .NET for building their enterprise grade application. So, what are the skill set is needed to become a ASP.NET Core developer? If you're looking at in the chart, so you should know first C#, you should know the ASP.NET Core, Link, Entity Framework Core, Web API, SQL Server, HTML, CSS, and most important part is you should know how to build the end-to-end real-world application because company will hire you for building the project. If you know only the things, they will not hire you because ultimately you have to work on a live project. So this training program is designed in such a way you're going to learn how to build the live project with the recommended design patterns, best practices, and many more. So this is a 6 weeks intensive training program to transform your career. And in this training program, these are the technology you're going to learn how to use them: C#, .NET Core, SQL Server, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, ASP.NET Core, MVC, Entity Framework Core, Web API, Visual Studio, GitHub. So all these technology combination you're going to learn in this training program. So what you will get when you will join this training program with the ScholarHat, you will get the live training plus live training videos. Even many courses we having in the pre-recorded format as well. So these things you can access from the LMS. Second important part is whenever you are learning any technology, any concept, it is necessary to do the assignment. So the assignment we have designed the hands-on labs for you, which will help you to practice the things, which will help you to build the confidence to work on the ASP.NET Core. Because until you will not fix the bug yourself, until you will not write the code yourself, learning is not fruitful. So to show you the things, how you can access the video and how you can access the lab, just go to the scholarhat.com and here you have to log in into your account. So you will go to the dashboard. In the dashboard, we having the My Courses option. Inside the My Courses, you will find out your subscribe training, whatever you have purchased from the ScholarHat. So here we having the ASP.NET Core certification training. And here what we have done batch wise, we have uploaded the video. So whatever training you will join with us, a batch will be assigned to you. So corresponding to that batch, we will upload the video. So from here you can filter the batches. So let's say I'm going to filter the previous batch recording. So we having the recording for the previous batch where we started the project. So it is a project setup. Only 2 sessions happened so far. That's why we having the 2 video. And you can download the PPT in the PDF format. You can download the source code as well. Even you have not watched the recording, so it is tracking everything over here. So let's click on this start button to watch the recording of this project session. From here, you can go ahead further. You can
This
see
is
how
the
to the project planning and
thing. This is
understanding.
the
So we are covering everything about the project element here. From here, you can go back. So this is the live session videos. Then we having the video course section where we added many video based courses, many module, because only the live session is not able to cover everything which is required to become the ASP.NET Core expert. Because in the live session we are covering the latest version of ASP.NET Core. If let's say you have to explore the older version of ASP.NET Core, so we having the pre-recorded session around ASP.NET Core 5, we having around ASP.NET Core 6, we having around link, we having the video around the edu.net, we having the video around the unit testing. So whatever the things are needed to work on a project, you are going to get everything in this training program. Then we having the hands-on labs. So these are the actually assignment you have to do yourself. So we having the assignment around each topic. So when you will join the live session with them on the weekend basis, so on every weekend we having the assignment for you. You can see we having the assignment around routing, navigation, custom helper. We having the assignment around the forms, entity framework core. We having the assignment around AD.NET. We having the assignment around middleware, paging, searching, and many more. Now let's look at a lab. If you're looking at the lab here, let's say I'm just clicking on the assignment for user registration form. So it will open a lab problem statement, because every assignment having a problem, that problem you have to solve. So this is a description what you have to do here. This is a prerequisite. This is a requirement. You have to create a user registration page with these field, and you have to apply these validation. And here you have to use the bootstrap for the UI and the error messages. So this is the way how you need to solve this assignment. If let's say you're sticking somewhere while doing the assignment, you're not able to create it. So we having this solution as well. So here you can click on the lab solution. So here you can see the step-by-step way how to create this assignment, how to do it. It's completely mentioned over there. So you having the complete hands-on learning, so that you will get the confidence to work on the ASP.NET Core. The next thing you will get here, the real world project implementation. As I said, without implementing your knowledge into the real world project, learning is incomplete. So what we have done, we have designed a online food delivery application. You're going to learn here the ePizza Hut website. You can see this is the way how the project description we having. This is a project scope. What are the various things you're going to create in this project? Let's say public section, account, we having the shopping cart, payment gateway. You will see how to create the user module. You will see how to create the admin module. Here we having a proper architecture as well. You will see how to implement the clean architecture. You will see how to create the database diagram. You will see how to create the various layers here. So we having the layer for the core, models, repository, services, UI. Then you will see here how to implement the repository design pattern. Then you will see here how to implement the dependency injection. Then you will see here how to create the modules. What are the various pages we having inside the public module, admin module, user module. What are the various coding workflow? This is a workflow we having for login. This is a workflow we having for sign up. This is a workflow we having for authentication, authorization. This is a workflow we having for shopping cart and the payment gateway. Further, you will learn how to integrate the payment gateway here, authentication. Then we having here about how to access the logged user detail across the application. Then we see about the payment gateway integration. So learning everything which is needed to make a online food delivery application. Then you will learn here about the best practices, like how to do the error logging, how to optimize the application performance by using the cache. There's a Srilog library we have implemented for the error logging. So this complete project you're going to learn how to build from scratch and how to finally host it on a server, so that you will have a complete understanding how to start a project of ASP.NET, how to work in the real life. Complete training program you're going to get here. Then you will get here the interview question answer. Now you have to prepare yourself for passing the interview. So for the interview, we have created the interview question answer videos as well. So if you will go back, we having a section for interview question answer. Here we are providing all the interview question answer in the video format. So we having the interview question answer around ASP.NET Core each topic if you will see. And trust me, by referring these videos, you able to pass your interview in ASP.NET Core. Many people, many student of mine already passed the interview. They able to get 60% to 120% salary hike by referring this interview question answer videos. Even you will have the practice tests as well, because what happens here when you will go for the interview in many companies, they ask for the MCQs. So what type of MCQs they can ask around ASP.NET Core, around link entity framework, advanced ASP.NET Core. So we having the MCQs as well. If you will click, so there is MCQs here, start the quiz, and here you will find out we are having the 10 question in this MCQs. These are the objective type of question, you have to answer them. I'm just clicking randomly, so just click over there and finally just go to the 10 question here, click, and from here I can submit it. Yes, I want to submit it. So this is the things it is coming over there. So this is my score. I have given only 2 question answer, that's why I'm giving 2 score. This is the time taken here, this is the result, it is filled. So this is the way how the things are coming here. This is about the MCQs we having. And this is a certified training program. And this is a training program where you will get the certificate as well. So we having the certificate section. So to get the certificate, you have to complete all the hands-on lab. You have to complete the recording, watch of the self-paced videos and the live session. And after completing everything, you will have that confidence, you will have that expertise that is needed to work as an ASP.NET Core developer. So you will get an option here to generate the certificate. In my case, I'm getting the download certificate option, because in some other batch, I have already completed all the videos and all the things. That's why I can download the certificate directly from here. The next thing you are going to get in this training program is doubt resolution. So when it is coming to doing the hands-on lab, when it is coming to doing the practice yourself, I'm sure you will face some challenges. So we having a dedicated support team, so that supporting available through Discord. So you will get access to our premium group available on Discord. So here we having a Discord community for ScholarHat, and around each technology we having the group. If let's say you're joining us ASP.NET Core training, so ASP.NET Core training we having the group. Here we having the support team. Even you can see the people are asking the queries, and our support people are giving the answer of them. Even they take one-to-one screen sharing as well, so that whatever the code you are not able to write, they will help you to write them. So we having a dedicated support along with your practice, along with your learning journey, so that you will not feel alone. You will not stuck anywhere. Everything is supported through the Discord here by the support team. The next one we having the job assistance. So we having a dedicated team which will help you to place on the top MNCs. Even we having a dedicated page where we are posting all the jobs. So here when you will navigate to the ScholarHat, so we having the jobs page. Here you can find out what are the jobs opening right now we having. So we having the many companies which want to get the trained people on ASP.NET Core, the trained people on .NET, Angular, and many other technologies. So you will get the referral from our end as well. We having the working professional who are joining us from various companies. Let's say IBM, TCS, Wipro, Infi, and many more. So they also share the job referral. So you are going to get the job referral from our end, from the professional network as well. So ultimately you're going to be part of a working professional network where you will get the good job opportunities. So we are offering the 6 things which are required to be hired as a ASP.NET Core developer and working the top MNCs. So who can join this training program? So this training program is available for the fresher and college student. If you already know the C#, SQL Server, HTML, and the CSS. So basic understanding of these things you must know. If you're already a .NET developer, so I'm sure you already know C#, SQL Server, you have the understanding of HTML and the CSS, you can join this training program. If you're a tech lead, project manager, project lead, you can also join this training program. Even if you are a woman after a career gap, because we having the many women who having the career gap in the past, so they also joined the same training program. Now they are working as a ASP.NET Core developer in the top MNCs. So this training program we are offering in the two different mode. We having the live training program and we having the self-paced training program. In the live training program, you will join a live batch where we having a group of working professional who are learning with you. They are asking the question live, mentor is giving the answer live. Even what are the content we are covering in the live session, it is latest version of the .NET we are covering. So right now we having the .NET 7. So .NET 7 we will learn. In November we will have the .NET 8. So .NET 8 we will start. When the .NET 9 will come, we will teach you .NET 9. So what are the latest version we having at that moment? That latest version you are going to learn in the live batch. You will get the recording of each live session. Even you will have the option to rejoin a missing session as well, because sometimes it happens you might miss the session, you want to rejoin another batch, you can rejoin that also. You will get the dedicated support as well, so that whenever you are doing the hands-on lab, whenever you're sticking while doing the practice, you immediately get the support from the support team using the Discord. You are going to join on every Friday the resume building session, where I will tell you how to draft the resume, how to approach for the company, what are the common issues the people are having, how to tackle the HR interview, and how to answer the things. So you are going to get a complete interview preparation. So you are going to get how to prepare yourself for the next tech interview. So everything we are going to offer through the live session here if you are joining the live training program. If let's say you don't have the time to join the live training program, you want to learn from videos, so we having the self-paced video. So self-paced video program is for those people who are fine to go ahead with the video. So we having the things are ready in the video, and the video based content we update on yearly basis. Here we are providing the email support. We don't have the dedicated support in the self-paced video, but you can ask your query through the email. So why are you waiting for? So get certified and get hired by the top MNCs in the world. So if you're willing to become a ASP.NET Core developer and you want to get certified and get hired by the top companies in the world, so enroll now. See you in the session.